Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when two finger scroll is not working on your touchpad and even the touchpad setting is missing on your computer. So when you type in touchpad settings in Windows search box, you won't find touchpad settings. So if this is what is happening, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now first of all, you need to plug in a external mouse to perform these steps. So if you have any external mouse, connect the mouse to your computer and then perform these steps. The first step is to install generic driver using device manager. So make a right click on the start menu and then click on device manager. Now expand human interface devices. Now here you can see I2C HID device. So if you have this entry, make a right click, then click on update driver, then click on browse my computer for drivers, and then click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and then select this and then click on next. And then let the installation complete. Now, if you don't have this, skip this step. Now, find your touchpad driver. Now, in my case, it's Synaptics. In your case, it might be HID Compliant Touchpad or Synaptics, or it may be any other touchpad device. So, in my case, it's Synaptics. So, make a right click and then click on Update Driver. Again, click on Browse My Computer for drivers and then click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Now over here, Synaptics is already selected over here. So if Synaptics is selected over here, select HID compliant touchpad and then click on next and install the driver. Now if HID compliant touchpad is selected over here, then select Synaptics and then click on next and install the driver. So after the installation, restart your computer and then check your touchpad. Now, the next step is to uninstall the touchpad driver from device manager, then restart your computer. So again, make a right click on the start menu, then click on device manager. Now again, expand human interface devices. Now over here, you will find I2C HID device. In most cases, I have seen this yellow triangle in front of I2C HID device. So if you have this yellow triangle, or even if you don't have this yellow triangle, simply make a right click on I2C HID device, then click on uninstall device, then click on uninstall. Now, if you don't have this, skip this step. If you have it, uninstall it. Now, again, make a right click on your touchpad driver. It may be Synaptics or HID compliant touchpad. Make a right click, then click on uninstall device, then click on uninstall. Now, after the uninstall, restart your computer. So, after you uninstall it, make sure that you restart your computer. Restart is a must. Now, you can go ahead and check your touchpad. Now, the last step is to install touchpad driver from your system manufacturer website. So if you have a Dell computer, go to Dell website. If you have Lenovo computer, go to Lenovo. If you have HP computer, go to HP website. So whichever is your brand, go to your system manufacturer website. Then select your model number. I'm showing for Dell. This is just an example. So if you have Lenovo, HP, go to your system manufacturer website. Select your model number, enter your service tag or serial number, select your model number, and then go to drivers and download page and then find the touchpad driver for your particular model number. Now download it, and once the download is complete, run this exe file, then install it. And after the installation, restart your computer, and after the system restart, check your touchpad. So one of the steps should help you to get the two finger scroll working, and touchpad settings should be back. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.